Assalamualukm, respected doctors. Welcome to my YouTube channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today's the video number on our YouTube channel is 338. And today our lecture is related to physiology. And today our topic is definition of physiology and level of structural organization. Now, topic outline include the definition of physiology, and the second topic outline is the different level of structural organization, mean how organism is formed from basic to advanced. First we start from definition of physiology. How we define the physiology? Physiology is a study of normal functioning of living organisms, and its mechanism is called physiology, means study of normal functioning of living organism and its mechanism. Now the example is red blood cell. For example, a function of RBC is to carry oxygen, and its mechanism is how oxygen bond with hemoglobin in RBC. This is the mechanism. Now the physiology of RBC is its function to carry oxygen, and its mechanism how oxygen bond with hemoglobin. Now after definition come to the different level of structural organization. There are 6 level of structural organization from basic to advanced. Number 1 is the chemical level. Number 2, cell or cellular level. Number 3, tissue or tissue level. And number 4, organ level. Number 5, organ system level. And number 6, organism. Now, number 1 is the chemical level. It is the basic level. It consists of atoms and molecules. Now, number 1, atom. Atom is the smallest unit of matter. Essential atoms for life include carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, calcium, phosphorus, and sulfur. Now, this is the picture of atom. Second, in chemical level there is a molecules. 2 or more atoms join together to form molecule. For example, water, DNA, protein, carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acid. These are the molecules. Now this is the diagram. Like hydrogen is atom separately, oxygen is atom, and hydrogen is atom. When 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen combine to form molecule like H2O, water. Now after chemical level, second is a cellular level. Molecule combine to form cell like DNA, mitochondria, Golgi body. Now cell is a structural and functional unit of life. Many different types of cell in human body like nerve cell, muscle cell, and the epithelial cell. After cell, the third level is the tissue level. Tissue are the groups of cells with similar specialization, means similar structure and function. There are 4 basic types of tissue. Number 1 is the epithelial tissue, which cover our body surface and hollow organ. And second is connective tissue like bone and cartilage. Third is the muscular tissue, and 4 is the nervous tissue. Now after tissue, the 4th level is the organ level. 2 or more different types of tissues make organ. Each organ have specific shape and function. For example, liver, stomach, heart. This is a diagram. This is the level of organization. The first is atom. Then atom meet to form molecule, then molecule makes cell, then cell make tissue, then tissue make organ, then organ make organ system, then different organ system make organism. Now the 5th is the organ system. Organ with similar functions make organ, like digestive system, break down and absorb food, include mouth, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, pancreas, gallbladder and liver. Now the sixth is the organism level. 11 systems of body work together to form organism. Like the first is the integumentary system, which consists of skin, and the second is the skeletal system. Third is the muscular system. Now skeletal system contain bones, and the muscular system contain muscles, like in second or third diagram. The fourth system is the nervous system, and the fifth is the endocrine system, and number 6 is the circulatory system. Now in this diagram, the first is the nervous system, second is the endocrine system, third is circulatory system. Now next is the lymphatic and immune system, and next is respiratory system, and next is digestive system. Like this is the diagram from above to below: lymphatic system, then respiratory system, then digestive system. And next is the urinary system, and last is the reproductive system. Urinary system consists of kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and reproductive system consists of genitalia. Now today our topic is complete. Now we have Telegram channels and WhatsApp group for you. In Telegram we have 2 channels for MBBS and BDS student. First is the first 2 final year MBBS lectures. Second is the first 2 final year BDS lecture for BDS student. And we have a WhatsApp group for first year BDS group for boys, and first year BDS group for girls, and second year BDS group for boys, and the third BDS group for boys. Now all groups link are present in description. Here we daily share videos, notes, books, past paper, and everyone can share the study material. Now if you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends, and subscribe channel for more videos, and press bell icon in order to you receive my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.